Hello everyone, I am Bhavna Saxena from Leal Public School. Today I am going to explain you notebook work of chapter number 9 of English 1, Dorothy and the Scarecrow. Question number 1 is dictation word. Number 1, adventures, ADVENTURES. Number 2, strange, STRANGE. Number 3, matter, MATTER. Number 4, everything, EVERYTHING. Number 5, another, ANOTHER. Number 6, straight, STRAIGHT. Number 7, fixed, FIXED. And number 8, thought, THOUGHT. Question number 2 is word meaning. DULL, dull. Dull means boring. Number 2, cyclone, a type of storm. Number 3, never mind, does not matter. Number 4, a lot of curiosity, great interest. Number 5, fast enough, means quickly. Now question number 3 is make sentence, make the meaningful sentence. Number 1 is farmer. Farmer lives a simple life. Farmer जो होते हैं वो बिल्कुल simple life जीते हैं. Pretty, she looks pretty in that dress. वो इस dress में बहुत pretty लग रही. Next is yesterday. My parents arrived yesterday. मेरे parents कल हाँ आए थे. Proud. He was so proud of it. वह इस पर बहुत proud करता है. So now next question is use the conjunctions to join these sentences. हमें कुछ sentences दिए गए हैं जिन्हें हमें conjunction word से join करना है. Conjunction means joining words. Okay. So number 1 is Rahul is playing hockey. Second sentence, Tanya is playing hockey. Conjunction word is and. Rahul and Tanya are playing hockey. Number 2, would you like to have juice? Second, would you like to have lassi? Conjunction word is or. Would you like to have juice or lassi? Number 3, it is raining. Number 2 sentence, Ankit is carrying an umbrella. Joining word is so. It is raining, so Ankit is carrying an umbrella. Number 4, Mummy bought me a dress. Second number sentence is, it is my birthday tomorrow. Joining word is because. Mummy bought me a dress because it is my birthday tomorrow. Number 5, Rima wants to go to the market. Second sentence is, the sun is too strong. Conjunction word is but. Rima wants to go to the market, but the sun is too strong. Next is question number 5. Read these lines from the story and answer the questions. हमें इस स्टोरी में से कुछ लाइंस दी गई हैं और कुछ क्वेश्चंस किए गए हैं. Number 1. No matter how boring their homes are, people still want to live there more than in any other country. Who said these words? Means ये जो लाइंस हैं ये किसने कही? Dorothy said these words. ये लाइंस जो थी वो डोरोथी ने कही थी कि हमारे हाउस चाहे कितने भी बोरिंग हो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, लोग फिर भी वहीं रहते हैं दूसरी किसी और कंट्री के अलावा. To whom was she speaking? उसने ये बात जो थी वो किससे कही? She was speaking to the scarecrow. उसने डोरोथी ने ये बात जो थी वो scarecrow से कही थी. Number C. Where is the speaker's home? स्पीकर जो है वो उसका घर कहाँ था? स्पीकर जो है उसका घर था कैंसस स्टेट इन अमेरिका. यूनाइटेड स्टेट में एक जगह है कैंसस. नेक्स्ट इज द फार्मर कैरिड मी अंडर हिज आर्म टू द कॉर्नफील्ड एंड सेट मी अप ऑन अ टॉल स्टिक. हु इज मी इन दीज लाइन? इनमें मी कौन है इन लाइन्स में? Scarecrow is me in these lines. ये लाइंस जो थी वो Scarecrow ने कही थी कि फार्मर जो है वो मुझे अपनी आर्म्स में उठाकर लेकर कॉर्नफील्ड में गया और मुझे एक टॉल स्टिक पे लगा दिया. नंबर बी क्वेश्चन इज How did the farmer carry the speaker? फार्मर जो है वो स्पीकर को कैसे लेकर गया? The farmer carried the scarecrow under his arm. Next is, where did Dorothy find the speaker? Dorothy को स्पीकर कहाँ मिला? In the cornfield. Dorothy found the scarecrow in the cornfield. Now, question number 6 is, answer these questions. How did Dorothy reach the strange land of Oz? Dorothy जो है वो land of Oz कैसे पहुंची? A cyclone had carried Dorothy to the strange land of Oz. Cyclone strong होता है, वो कहाँ Dorothy को लेकर गया? Strange land of Oz. So question is, how did Dorothy reach the strange land of Oz? A cyclone had carried Dorothy to the strange land of Oz. Next question is question number 2. When did the scarecrow look at the word for the first time? Scarecrow जो था उसने word first time कैसे देखा? The scarecrow looked at the word for the first time when the farmer painted his right eye. जब farmer ने उसकी right eye को paint किया. The scarecrow looked at the word for the first time. उसने कब देखा word first time? When the farmer painted his right eye. जब farmer ने उसकी right eye जो है वो paint करी. Question number 3 is, why didn't the scarecrow speak when his mouth was made? जब उसका mouth बना दिया गया, फिर भी जो scarecrow था वो बोल क्यों नहीं पा रहा था? The scarecrow did not speak when his mouth was made. जब उसका mouth बन गया उसके बाद भी वो बोल क्यों नहीं पा रहा था? Because he did not know what to do with the mouth. क्योंकि उसको पता ही नहीं था कि mouth से किया क्या जाता है. The scarecrow did not speak when his mouth was made because he did not know what to do with the mouth. Next question is, why did the farmer make the scarecrow? Farmer ने scarecrow क्यों बनाया? The farmer made the scarecrow to scare away the crows in the cornfield. Farmer ने scarecrow इसलिए बनाया जिससे कि उसका जो फार्म था, उसकी जो cornfield था, उस पर वहां से crow जो हैं वो दूर चले जाएं. The farmer made the scarecrow to scare away the crows in the cornfield. So students, I hope you understood this notebook work of chapter number 9, Dorothy and the Scarecrow. Do neat and clean work in your notebook. Thank you.